If you had to describe what the experience is going to be for someone who's going to do this debriefing workshop, how would you describe it?
I think probably the first word is just validating. I mean, we all have been through experiences that there's either been adverse events or even near misses. Oftentimes, they're pretty horrible experiences, and we don't really get a chance to share or talk about them. So, the idea of like how to do that in a way that facilitates growth, I think is something really important to talk about.
I know you presented a variation of this recently at VEX. What kind of feedback did you get, or what was your sense about the audience's receptivity about this topic?
Yeah, it really, people's experiences with debriefing really run the gamut. Some people talked about that they've got a really great program within their hospital, and they talked about their protocol and the training that's involved with the facilitator. Other people talked about that they don't have anything like this, and they're just kind of left with their feelings and nowhere to express them or to kind of that ability to kind of move on. So I think that's why this type of training is really important to kind of bring people up to this level and bring hospitals up to this level where this is something that they utilize on a regular basis and have some tools on how to do that.